into a really big sensor. So we're going to get some of those advantages of, accidents. We're going to get some of those advantages of having a large sensor, for example. So this is the basic technique. I want to keep my tripod relatively loose here in the swivel and the tilt. I've already focused on David. What I'm going to do is start with David, just have you sit still for just a minute. Take one picture, then overlap and move down this way. And I'm just going to keep going until I get. The key is a good amount of overlap. Don't be stingy with it, right? So now I've photographed all of David. Now I'm moving over to my left and I'm going to overlap. So now I'm going to go to the right here. Because my focus is only about 6 feet away, basically everything behind David is going to be relatively blurry. Not for movement or anything like that, but for just out of focus. And if you kind of figured it out yet, because it's 6 feet here, or 5 feet, that means my focus is at this point here, where it focuses his eyes. So it's moving like this. So it's getting curved this way and curved this way. So I'm basically taking a picture that is a circle. Yeah. All right. So what we have to do then in software is flatten that circle back out. All right. So just like pressing down the sides essentially. So now I have all my images. You guys want to see what they look like? So this is. Could have done this with two. So this is my first one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I think that's it.
Do you
so
have to have
19.
that many? Do you have to have that many?
You're probably going to need it depending how close you get. Oh. If it's something that's really far away, then you might not because your overlaps won't be so severe. But because my overlaps are really severe here, I have basically 18 pictures that I took for this square right here. Those 18 pictures with the highest resolution I have here, the biggest I can make with this camera is about a 20 by 30 and it's going to be razor sharp, a little bit less than that. But now I can make something that is infinitely bigger, almost like I said, like a 60 by 80 inch that's going to be razor sharp. Sure, your mom would love a nice big picture of you, right? Or, you know, maybe you would. I don't know. Maybe your Pokemons would. I'm not sure.
What?
I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. So I'm going to take this. We got to do one more. So if you look at this sheet here, grab a pen, and you're going to cut out focus stacking.
Oh.
We're not going to do that one. The reason why we're not going to do that one, and we're not going to do the removing object status. They are so limited in their use